Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping app. I've gotten a lot of questions about DSers lately, and one of the most common questions is whether or not it's only for AliExpress. So, let's get started and find out the answer. What is DSers? Before we get into the question of whether or not DSers is only for AliExpress, let's first talk about what DSers is. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to source products from AliExpress and sell them on your own website or online marketplace. DSers makes it easy to dropship by automating a number of tasks, such as importing products from AliExpress to your website, placing orders with AliExpress, tracking your orders, handling returns. How does DSers work? Now that we know what DSers is, let's talk about how it works. Here's a step-by-step process. Sign up for a DSers account. Connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account. Import products from AliExpress to your DSers account. Create a product listing on your website or online marketplace. When a customer places an order on your website or online marketplace, DSers will automatically place an order with AliExpress. AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. You will keep the difference between the price you charged your customer and the price you paid AliExpress. Is DSers only for AliExpress? So, now that we know what DSers is and how it works, let's get to the question of whether or not it's only for AliExpress. The answer is no. DSers is not only for AliExpress. You can also use DSers to source products from other suppliers, such as DHgate, Banggood, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping. However, it's important to note that not all suppliers are supported by DSers. If you want to use DSers to source products from a supplier other than AliExpress, you'll need to make sure that the supplier is supported by DSers. Pros and cons of using DSers. Now that we know that DSers is not only for AliExpress, let's talk about the pros and cons of using DSers. Pros: easy to use, automated, affordable, large selection of products. Cons: not all suppliers are supported, can be slow, can have errors. Alternatives to DSers. If you're not sure if DSers is the right app for you, there are a few other options available. Here are a few of the most popular alternatives: Oberlo, Spocket, Dropified, Salehoo. So, there you have it. DSers is not only for AliExpress. You can use it to source products from a variety of suppliers. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of using DSers before making a decision. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about DSers. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.